Ladies, gagawa na naman tayo ng cake. Panlagay natin sa ating counter. Ito guys ay flour. Aywa.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. Where you go? Where you go? Simple lang guys, nabali natin. Yan, nilalagyan natin ito ng ganito para hindi siya
This one, Mama, I paid Nagwara money. This one, card not possible. Okay, take cash
what this?
for Madam Iman, flower, Kashify. This one, that started, no? In not possible credit. So I give Nagwara money. Kashif tells she want paid card. How card if she send card going account for Madam, no?
Yeah, that's why I
This one
tell.
money for Nagwara.
Now what I say for Madam Iman going already.
No, she tell come back. If this one, for Kashif, he tell have 1,000 plus his flower. This one card no problem, but this one I need cash.
This one for
Nawara money I use.
for Iman also.
Yeah. Kashi fee by flower.
Mm.
Then not possible that company give credit.
Yeah.
After I tell okay, I paid. I have money for Nawara. I paid.
Then I explain for Madam Iman, this one need cash. How
Cash.
much is 1,000?
No, 871.
871.
Yeah, because this one need cash. Other one for shop money, no problem. She can pay it by cash. So she take items, flower. This one by company he buy. But take me Nawara money.
Okay guys, ito na po yung mga nalagawa natin. Bye!
That one you send me yesterday, no, that